You'll probably have to move over a little more.
Oh, scratch your tail.
Oh, scratch. Oh, see.
I was wondering if that's what she was gonna do, because she was looking at the ground.
Oh, he likes the butt scratches. Get safe. Molly, no ma'am.
Hey, Molly, get out.
She might be warm because it's warm today.
Maybe just a little itchy or something.
That's what I mean, because she's got her blanket on.
Yeah.
I mean, she just laid down to roll and then goes back to eating. I don't think it's a big deal.
No.
Oh, yeah, scratch.
I love this food, he says. I love this food.
Good boy. Good boy. Oh, it's not like this. Good boy. It's, oh, goodness. I'm so scared. Good boy. It's okay. Good boy.
I picked it up for you, see?
Good boy. Good boy. There you go. Have some more food.
He's so cute.
He is really cute. He reminds me so much of Dirt Bike.
Yeah, he really does. Suko. No.
But
Hey,
there's
make sure
oil
I
in the
don't
grain,
accidentally
lady. What'd you say?
Make sure I don't accidentally get in any of those.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oops.
You can stop it.
Okay.
And just keep it going until I let him go. Come on. No, Suko. My boyfriend!
Bye-bye, baby.
Suko!